So let me ask you something. When someone lands in your room, what's the first thing that they think about your room? Now, before you answer that, let's make this visual. Imagine you saw this guy holding a sign. Visually, he seems to be in some type of distress, right? But we don't know that for sure. Psychologically, some of us will even keep our distance because we know that we've created a personal bias. We don't know what he wants. What is his motivation for holding that sign? Now, let's imagine the sign says, "The government is full of crooks." Then we know it's political, right? Maybe it says, "I'll dance for food." Then we know he's probably hungry and willing to do anything to eat. Or maybe the sign says, "I just opened a karate school for kids. Stop in." Now the bandana makes even more sense. Here's the perspective. You have to name your motivation to attract the audience that either cares about your topic or willing to engage with you. The name of your stream for that day is a branding signal. And if you use it correctly, you'll attract the people that you'll want to entertain. This is one of the ways the Go Live Bootcamp helps you brainstorm titled concepts. Always remember to get inspiration from other sources and remix it. You can manually brainstorm your own ideas in the system first. Then, after you clearly write down your idea, click Make This Stronger. And keep doing that until you have a version you like. Here's a tip. You can even prompt the model with details. This model has been trained and is consistently trained to think like a streamer and a viewer who wants to watch a specific streamer.